If you're a business owner or executive, you're going to want to keep watching this video. So when we talk about digital marketing, we talk about sales and optimization. A lot of that means optimizing lower in the funnel besides a lead. And let me explain what I mean. Anyone can optimize for a high funnel event, such as a lead or a form fill. But the challenge with that is leads and form fills don't generate revenue. They're just that. They're leads and form fills. But if you start to look lower in the funnel, you start to build some metrics and some analytics and KPIs around things that matter to your business. That could be cost per appointment. It could be cost per installation. It could be cost per call booked or cost per consultation. But there's going to be things that are lower in the funnel that are predictive of sales that you can start measuring your campaigns. Start looking for those lower funnel events. Start looking at how you can map your KPIs around what really matters to your business, which is sales and revenue. For more marketing tips and business tips, be sure to like and follow me, and let's grow.